Hello everyone, this is Yamin and in this tutorial I'm going to show you a solution of MySQL shutdown unexpectedly. So here you can see my Apache is running, but every time I start my MySQL, here you can see it started and then it will shut down unexpectedly, and this may be due to block port, missing dependencies and some other issues written over here. So to solve this issue, what you have to do is that first of all you need to go to the folder where you install Xampp. So for my case, I'll go to my folder and I download my Xampp inside local disk C. So I'll go inside local disk C, then I'll choose this folder Xampp, and inside this Xampp folder I'll directly go to MySQL folder. Here you can see we have the folder called MySQL over here. Just click on MySQL and then here you can see backup and data folder. So you can see data folder. First of all, what we will do is that we will rename this data folder to, let's say, data underscore old, and after that we will create a folder over here, new folder. Let's just right click over here, then click new, then folder, and we'll name it data. Okay, so right now what we'll do is that we'll copy some folder from this data old and paste it inside this data folder. So let's go inside this data old folder and we'll copy all the folder from here. So let me just copy everything, but except three folder from here. Here you can see MySQL, performance schema and PHP my admin. But we will also copy a file from here. We will not copy any file from here, but just only on, and that is ib data on, which is this one. Here you can see ib data one. We'll copy this one, so we'll just select this as well and then we'll copy everything from here. So we'll copy it and then we'll go to our data folder which is empty and we'll paste every folder and file over here. So we copy and paste some folder and file from the data old folder. So right now we'll go to our backup folder, and from this backup folder we'll select everything, but except this time we'll not copy this ib data one. So we'll not select it. So we'll copy every file except ib data one from here. So we'll just copy it and we'll go to MySQL, then data over here, and we'll paste it over here. And then this may pop out that replace the file in destination. Just click on this, replace the file in destination, and there you go, you are ready to restart your Xampp. So if I now go to my Xampp and if I now start over here, click start, here you can see it started and it's not shutting down, as you can see. So right now let's go to our browser, let's go to our Xampp, let's click PHP admin, and there you can see we are able to successfully go to our PHP admin. So this is how you can solve the issue MySQL shutdown unexpectedly. So I hope this tutorial was useful to you, and if this video was helpful, make sure to give a like and leave a comment, and I'll actually really appreciate if you subscribe this channel. Thanks again for watching. I'll see you in the next tutorial.